Welcome to Zombie Traders University, ZTU. We're sure you've heard about the stock market at one point. If you're taking this course, you're intrigued about its mystique. We will attempt to cover many of the questions you may have about it, and even questions you never thought of. At ZTU, we believe that knowing certain basics about the stock market is useful for general knowledge and adding to one's arsenal of education. Perhaps you may want to pursue a career in this magnificent field, or become a self-directed trader to boost your income and/or retirement fund. Knowledge is power and can never be taken away from you. As youngsters, we bombarded our parents with questions about everything. The 7 W's: what, why, where, who, when, how, and which. Mommy can only answer so many to the point that she eventually puts good old dad on the spot. And when daddy can't figure it out, he starts digging for answers. Allow ZTU to make this easier for you and quench your thirst about the market. Save time and energy with our answers to prevent you from surfing multiple websites, asking infinite gurus, and digging through various books. If you still have questions, at least we covered a lot of ground and you simply want more, which means that you have an immense journey ahead of you. We always stress that you invest in yourself before you invest in the stock market. You're the most priced asset in this, although you'll learn how trading stocks can be a nice asset for your finances as well. The stock market is like medicine and technology. It's always evolving and the learning never stops. This is a personal journey in which we start learning the truths for ourselves. The learning curve is a blend of discovering what works best for you and what doesn't. We're all different and possess distinct personalities. We will approach the markets in our own unique manner. So you're just having casual conversation with a neighbor, a coworker, whomever. The topic of the stock market pops up, and immediately the conversation starts going back and forth between positive and negative. Most likely, people who had bad experiences in the market have barely spent the time and effort to learn about it. Perhaps some didn't have an organized trading plan. Possibly, some may have traded a stock pick from an analyst, and it wasn't the best. Maybe some simply turn on the media and go with what the so-called gurus yell out. Many are frightened when the news channels are reporting that the stock market is in a tailspin. Only they don't explain that many are actually making money when the market fails. But let's not get too ahead of ourselves. Here is some truth. Trading the stock market is not an intellectual game. You cannot outsmart the market. It takes hard work, dedication, and concentration. Yes, there are risks involved when trading the markets, just as it is opening up your own business. But if you take the time to really learn the markets, in combination with the proper risk management plan and discipline, you'll place the odds in your favor. There are so many positives about the market and success stories as well. It's one of the known sources for wealth. Many have become extremely wealthy thanks to our beloved market.